Alright, hello, this is Hendrik from Beatsonic. We're at the SEMA Show 2023. This year we're sponsoring this 2023 model Subaru BRZ. We have the Beatsonic Encore Alpha and the brand new Beatsonic Encore X DSP amplifier installed in this car. Take a look at over here. We have it on display on the dash. The Encore Alpha, also known as the PA2 amplifier, the Encore X DSP amplifier. We actually have both these amplifiers installed in the car for the show with a switch box. We can now select between normal, the Encore Alpha PA2 and the Encore X DSP. So we'll jump in the car and we'll take a listen and see how it goes. Okay, so we have the three-way switch box installed in this car. In the middle we have it on the normal setting, the factory audio. To the left we can listen to the PA2 amplifier, and to the right we can listen to the DSP amplifier. So right now I've got it on the normal setting. Let's take a listen. Now I'm going to switch to the PA2. That's quite a difference. Back to normal. Makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. Now I'm going to switch to the DSP amplifier. So hopefully in the video you can hear the difference there between the normal setting, the PA2 amplifier and the DSP amplifier. These are available now from Beatsonic. Contact Beatsonic USA or contact Beatsonic Global, our Japanese office, for your pricing and all further details for these products. Thank you very much for watching.